Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we are going to consider this radical equation. We have an equation that says x squared plus another x squared divided by square root of x is equals to x. So follow me, let's solve the equation together. Solution. We have an equation that says x squared plus another x squared divided by square root of x is equals to x. Very good. So to the left hand side, I'm going to have 2 into x squared divided by square root of x is equals to x. Going further, I want to get rid of this real value. I want to send it to the right hand side. So that means I need to divide both sides by 2. So when I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to have 2 multiplying x squared divided by square root of x divided by 2, which is times 1 over 2 is equals x multiplying 1 over 2. So if that is the case, we all know that these 2 and these 2 will take care of each other. So I'm going to have x squared divided by square root of x is equals to x divided by 2. So we remember that law. That means when I'm considering my left hand side, we need to consider that law of indices. Whenever I have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n is the same thing as x to the power of m minus n. So going by that, I'm going to have x squared divided by x to the power of half is equals to x divided by 2. So going further, that means I'm going to have x to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is equals x divided by 2. So we are going to have x to the power of 2 minus half remain 1 and half, and 1 and half is 3 over 2. So I'm now going to have 3 divided by 2 is equals to x divided by 2. Fantastic. So I want to square both sides of the equation. So here will be 2 also, so that we all know that these 2 and these 2 will get cancelled. So going a little bit further, we can now have x cubed is equals to x squared divided by 4. Why? Because whenever I have a to an exponent of m divided by b to an exponent of m is equals to a divided by b whole to an exponent of m. That means we are using common power. So if that is the case, I want to take this to the left hand side. I want to rearrange those terms in x so that I let every other thing to be equals to 0. So I'm going to have x cubed minus x squared divided by 4 is equals to 0. So when we look at it, I have x squared in common. So I'm going to have x squared here into, I'm going to have x minus 1 over 4 to be equals to 0. So I need to recall that law that says whenever I have two numbers multiplying each other to be equals to 0, that means one of the two must be equals to 0. So this is telling you that x is equals to 0 or x minus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to 1 divided by 4. And these are the two possible solutions of x that will satisfy this particular radical equation. If you learn something new, don't hesitate to subscribe for more exciting content like this and many more. Bye.